Hey, if you just got here, I created this greeting card for New Year's. If you want to learn how to edit it, watch this video. If you want to learn how to recreate it from the envelope to the glass to the prototyping,
recreate the
well, it's going to take a while, so just check out that other video, or if it's not out yet, then check out the video next year. But basically, I'm going to show you how to create this. So let's have a look at what I made. So what is it? Basically, it's a greeting card for 2021. If you're watching this, it's New Year's Eve. And no fireworks, so why not make some digital fireworks and send a digital greeting card? But first, let's open up this card. Okay, look at this. Oh look, we got two cards. And they're made of glass. What could this be? Okay, let's go in. Wait, let me zoom in a bit. Okay, this is a bit clearer. Okay, so we take the cards out. Okay, break the glass, sure. Glass morphism, let's break it. Boom, glass broken. Now let's wipe away the past and see 2021 with clarity. Okay, now we just drag the broken shards away. And Happy New Year 2021. Congratulations on surviving 2020. All the best for 2021, and let's hope for a year that's a little less crazy. And that's your greeting. Now, I've created this so that you guys can edit this and change the congratulations note. Yeah, just go into the file, make your own version, watch the video, or I guess you're already watching the video. Go into the file, it's in the links in the description, and join me as we work on this. So if you want to see the full video of how to recreate this, it's like 2 hours long, but if you want to watch it, feel free to, and learn something new. But basically, let's just go into the Figma file, and I'll see you guys down here. So if you search me up on Figma, you should be able to find access to this file, or I'll just link it down below. But basically, glass breaking New Year's card. We want to customize. I want you to customize a greeting card. I'm calling you a beginner. Sorry if you're not. But yeah, follow the green circles to see what messages you can edit. So the first thing you can edit is a stamp. I'm just using my own Muda experience logo, or my It's a Muda logo, which is this rose with an M in it. You can just feel free to use it, but you can put whatever you want there. If you want to change the color, you can do that. Here we can change it to orange, or if you like blue, you can change it to blue. And then for this, you want to choose, just go here and click blue until it works for you. So that's probably the best blue available. So yeah, there we've just created a blue stamp. Cool. Now the second thing that we want to do is change the writing on this card. Maybe we'll just keep it generic. See you in 2021. And then our card will be our second card, the card that breaks, can be you survived 2020. Okay, perfect. Now, if you want to change the color to this, you are definitely able to. I would just suggest moving this dial around until you find a color that you like. The reason being, we just want to maintain the the brightness, the hue, and the saturation. We want to maintain the saturation and the brightness. But let's say 2020 was, we'll go with this light blue. I don't think it's very readable, but we'll see. Okay, now we want to change this also to some sort of dark blue. Okay, so there's our 2020 card. And as you can see, it changed down here already, so cool. The next thing we can change is our goodbye 2020 message. Now we need to edit this edit me one. So as you can see in the layers here, it's edit me one. I'm just gonna say 2020 first though. Okay, so we've changed this edit me one. What we have to do is change edit me one again over here. Now I've hidden it here. All you have to do is just copy the text here and then click on it, this space up here, and paste. Don't worry that you can't see anything. This is just a part of the whole process. But yeah, hello 2021 message. You have the option to change this. Congrats on surviving 2020. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay. And now the last thing is, you can add your own share message. So maybe I add a Izzy Muda to it. Of course you can sign it yourself, but that's up to you. Something cool that you can also do is if you click Shift P, you can just add your own signature. So maybe I'll just add mine, which is like this. And there's my signature. It just adds a bit of a personal touch to it. Or at least this is a sloppy version of my signature. You can, you just try a few times and you should be good. But yeah, then the last thing you can change is the share card. So share with more friends. Okay. And now that we've changed this, let's see how it looks. We go into this. Oh, if you want to play it and see how it looks, just click play up here. Okay, so now we want to play it and see how it looks. So let's go ahead and click play. If it lags a bit, it's usually because I have a screen recorder running, but it will lag in real life, or it will lag when you share it, but hopefully it's not too bad. It'll just be better than this. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so let's open it. Let's tap to open. Oh, nice. Okay. So yeah, tap to continue. We can see this bounce a bit. Let's tap it. Okay, now we want to break the glass, so sure, let's go ahead and break this glass. Can't wait to spend 2021 with you. Let's get rid of 2020 first though. Okay, so let's swipe this away. You can either swipe or tap. I'm just gonna go with the tap. And here we have it. Here's our little message. See you in 2021. Congratulations on surviving 2020. All the best for 2021. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Izzy Muda with a signature there. Okay, now we go on to the next frame, which is the share option. And here we have it, share with more friends. Or you can just tap to replay. So if you're using this on mobile, you'll see that the share button is at the bottom. If you're not, then this probably doesn't make any sense. But what you can do is you can share the prototype link and your friend should be able to use it. Okay. Yeah, tap to replay. Here we are back at the start. Now, I'm gonna revert this back to how it was. Actually, I do kind of like this blue though. Maybe I'll change this card back to blue once I'm done with this, but let's just revert this all the way back. There we go, the stamp's back to red. Okay, well anyway, while I work on this, you guys can go ahead and edit this file. Just click on the link below to get access to it. You're gonna have to sign in with Figma, which you can do with a Google account, which is really easy and quick, so don't worry about it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to see a full tutorial on how I created this glass effect and how I created the envelopes and how I created the prototype, watch this really long video here. But besides that, I think we're good with the video today. I guess that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, like I said in the message, and I'll catch you guys in 2021. Have a good New Year's. If I get up to like 1,000 subscribers in 2021, maybe I'll get a better camera. But for now, I'm gonna stick with this nice lighting and this poor camera quality.